Thinking, Fast and Slow. This book is a groundbreaking book by Daniel Kahneman that explores the two systems of thinking that drive our decision-making processes. The book is based on decades of research by the author and his colleague Amos Tversky, and it offers a fascinating glimpse into the workings of the human mind. The first system of thinking, which Kahneman calls System 1, is fast, intuitive, and automatic. It operates without conscious effort and is responsible for our instantaneous judgments and reactions. This system is highly efficient, but can also be prone to errors and biases. The second system of thinking, which Kahneman calls System 2, is slower, more deliberate, and more logical. It requires conscious effort and is responsible for our ability to reason, analyze, and plan. This system is less prone to errors and biases, but it is also more mentally taxing and requires more time and effort to use. Kahneman's book delves deep into the workings of these two systems of thinking and examines the many ways in which they interact and influence each other. He explores the various cognitive biases and heuristics that can affect our decision-making, and he offers practical advice on how to overcome them. One of the key insights of the book is that our minds are prone to a wide range of cognitive biases that can lead us to make poor decisions. These biases include things like overconfidence, the availability heuristic, the confirmation bias, and many others. Kahneman shows how these biases can affect our judgment in a wide range of settings, from the stock market to the doctor's office. Another important insight of the book is that our minds are prone to lazy thinking. We often rely on heuristics and shortcuts to make decisions, rather than engaging in the more deliberate and effortful thinking required by System 2. This can lead us to make mistakes and overlook important information. Kahneman also explores the many ways in which emotions can influence our decision-making. He shows how emotions can affect our perceptions, our judgments, and our choices. And he offers practical advice on how to manage our emotions so that they don't interfere with our ability to make good decisions. Overall, Thinking, Fast and Slow is a fascinating and highly readable book that offers a wealth of insights into the workings of the human mind. It is a must-read for anyone who wants to better understand how we make decisions and how we can improve our decision-making processes. Whether you are a business executive, a policymaker, or just someone who wants to make better choices in your personal life, this book is sure to provide valuable insights and practical strategies that you can use to improve your thinking and decision-making.